Hi guys, so this is Prakhar. I'm a freshman at Drexel University living on campus. It's been a month since I came to Drexel, and now I'm going to show you how my room looks and how much I am paying to live on campus at this residence hall. So without wasting any more time, let me clean up my room first, then I'll talk about the price that I am paying to live here, and then you're gonna see the room. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So room is cleaned up now. Let's talk about the hall where I'm residing and the amount I'm paying to live here on campus. The prices might shock you, but that's the reality of living at Drexel University's residence halls. So I'm living in one of the 6 residence halls at Drexel University, which is called Bentley Hall. I think it is one of the most popular halls at Drexel University because the honors college is also situated in Bentley Hall itself. So I have to pay around $3,500 per quarter to live at Drexel University's hall. All other halls cost at least same of 3,500 or around $4,000 per quarter. I think this one is the cheapest that Drexel have, and I'm not sure if it is the cheapest or not, but yeah. It is not even including the housing, the food cost. It's only for the housing that you have to pay $3,500 per quarter. If you are opting a dining plan at Drexel, that costs at least average of $1,700 to $2,000 per quarter. So the plan that I am opted in is $2,000 per quarter. So I have to pay around $5,500 per quarter to live at Drexel University. So without wasting any more time, let's get some glimpse of the room first. Okay, so I'm outside of my room now. That's my room number and Bentley Hall. Let's go inside and see. So this one is my roommate's side, and I can totally agree that this is one of the ugliest side in the entire residence hall, and this is where I live. That's not bad at all, but as soon as you enter, this is where my jackets are hanging. I bought this clips from India. This is my shoes. Only have 2 pairs of shoes. This one are for professional use that I'm not using right now. When you go there, you can see the suitcase. I put it above my almari. Then there is my tripod and one more suitcase. So this is my closet. That's how it looks. There are some of my t-shirts hanging and my other clothes, which is jeans and sweatshirts. I've put them right here. There are a lot of clothes I bought from India because I bought 5 sets of jackets because I know I have to wear a lot of jackets there. Then all unnecessary cosmetics and things to wash my clothes. I don't think you should watch this. Now this I have some sort of utensils and some of my electronic stuff right there. This is my camera. That thing is my binoculars and another camera. There are some of my hankies and utensils. This is my study table, which I never use. I mostly go to library or study in the lobby, which is downstairs at my hall. This is the whey protein that I recently bought to bulk up. I am not regularly going to the gym, but I will go to the gym. This is a free bottle that I got from Drexel University in the welcome week. Some scents, and this is a takeaway box that I got from the residence hall. There is a lot of food inside. This is my power bank, trimmer, and my wallet. If you go there, this is the blanket that I bought from India. So I do not have to buy a blanket here. And I bought this thing from India as well. I got one of the best pillows. because it cost $20. So I thought I'll get a haircut for $20 rather than spending for a pillow. But I'm not even spending $20 for my haircut because I'm getting it from one of my friends. Safe. So there I have one more thing. So I have all of my food in this that I bought from India. At least 90% of the food has been finished in the first month itself because the dining hall closes at 9 and I get hungry after that, so I cooked that. This is some of the package of noodles, the Bonvita because I drink milk. There are some spices and some of the soya chunks. Then in the second one, I have all of my electronic stuffs and some of the copies that I bought from India because the notebooks are really expensive here. So I bought all of them from India to use them right here. I got my laptop bag here, some of the copies around here, and my tripod is here, and yeah, this is the key for my residence hall. And I got this Go Puff bag from Drexel University in the welcome week. I have all of my clothes that I have to wash inside this. So I wash my clothes once in a week. So all of them that I remove before bathing, I put all of them right here. This is a charging socket which is near to my bed, so I don't have to put my phone away from me. Not a bad thing. And here's the good thing I got from the con. I don't read it every day, but I do read it on Saturdays and Tuesdays. Yeah, this Gita and Durgaji, and yeah, that is the entire side of my room. And yeah, this is the AC. It turns on heat and cool, whatever you want. So that's the entire glimpse of my room. The view is pretty nice as well. You can see the entire residence hall from this thing. So actually my room is the second room from the corner, so it looks pretty good. And you can see the view from here. I can say it is one of the best views, but not best at all. And I think there is nothing more worse than paying $5,000 to live somewhere which is not even worth it. The place is costing me $1,200 per month and I'm only getting the half side of the room. It is 10 times better to live off campus than living at the residence halls. But the catch is, the university tells you that you cannot move off campus before finishing your first year at residence halls. So what you can do in these situations? Well, there are several loopholes that I'm going to follow in my journey and you will get to know about it as well. So that's pretty much it for my room tour. Give me some ideas on what you need videos on, or I'll post the videos that I think you need. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.